BlackBerry KEY2 has launched in India, and just like its predecessor, this too comes with a physical QWERTY keyboard. Here's our first look. The BlackBerry KEY2 in a nutshell offers all the QWERTY keyboard functionality and security features with updated specs. The back of the phone is made of textured plastic and sports a horizontally stacked dual camera setup. Both rear cameras are 12 megapixel sensors that includes dual tone LED flash, HDR, 4K video recording at 30 FPS, and dual PTAF. On the front, the KEY2 gets an 8 megapixel fixed focus camera with screen flash and full HD recording. The dual SIM BlackBerry KEY2 runs Android 8.1 audio out of the box and sports a 4.5-inch Full HD IPS LCD display with 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass. Of course, the screen aspect ratio is 3:2 because of the real estate taken up by the keypad. The handset is powered by a 64-bit octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC combined with 6 gigs of RAM. The smartphone comes with 64 and 128 gig internal storage variants, expandable up to 256 gig via microSD card. Along with the standard range of connectivity options, it also features an FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and USB Type-C. All of this is powered by a 3500 mAh battery with Quick Charge 3.0 support. The BlackBerry KEY2 price in India has been set at Rs 42,990 and will go on sale exclusively via Amazon India from July 31 and comes bundled with a Reliance Jio cashback offer of Rs 4,450 and an ICICI Bank cashback offer. There will be additional benefits, the company said. Thanks for watching this video, and for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets360.com.